Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. So I've come here to tell you a bit about the ice cream cones filled with cherry cake. I used the Mary Berries recipe and then you just fill them up, you bake them, and then I made a champagne buttercream. So the taste was really nice, and you have all the pictures on my Instagram account, but I will put some more up. Again, the video on YouTube will be on rapid, but I will take you step by step through the process as you used to by now. And if you like what you see here today, guys, and if you're not one of my subscribers yet, please subscribe and don't forget to tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. Also, we have the website live now, which is christinascuisine.com. So have a scroll through. If you want to order something, please feel free. I'm only doing pickup only at the moment. So if you are one of my locals, I can't wait to meet you. Until next time, guys, that was all for now. And until next time, I do hope you enjoyed the video. And I do hope to see you again soon. So take care of yourselves and go break an egg. We're gonna do this cherry cake, Mary Berries cherry cake, a bit different. We're gonna use ice cream cones, and they're gonna be filled with cake. Then I do put buttercream on top. Yeah. So this is a lovely support I got again from Amazon, and you will need about 150 grams of cherries, glace cherries. You have to wash them, cut them in quarters, and then use a paper towel to get the water excess out. Here is 200 grams of butter, and we're going to start somewhere.